This is a super cute Batwing shirt and shorts two-piece set we were just sent to review from Arshiner, and it is super cute and comfy. It comes in a ton of colors, and there are kind of two looks you can do with this. One is using the included belt, like so. It's got belt loops all around, and it's got like a little frilly top here, so you can secure it nicely and tie it in the front. And tuck in the shirt. For look number 2, we take the belt out. You could use it, yeah, as a necktie.
No, as a scarf.
As a scarf, and untuck. There we go. Look number 2. Yeah, I think this is my preference as well. This is so cute. This is that Batwing shape, like really boxy shirt. Really short cap sleeves, but they're not like a fitted. This is just like so cute. Really good pockets.
Like really, really big.
Nice and deep.
Really big.
There's a nice cute little hem detail at the bottom of the shorts. They're nice and long shorts.
I think it's awesome.
Awesome. We love this set, and we know you will too.